Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. So I need to check the file extension of these image. So the only question is how. So if I have to click on rename, it is not showing any detail at all. So the only option that remains is if I have to go to the properties, and from there you can see there is the extension. From there I can't do anything to change the file extensions. So the simple method is how to view and then how to edit them. Well, it is pretty much simple with the Windows 11 too, like the Windows 10 and Windows 7, except some users cannot find this option. So all you have to do is just simply click on view, go to the show, and now simply select file name extension. So as you can see, now there is the extension. All you have to do is just simply rename that, and now go ahead and change the extension the way that you want it. That is the first method that you can use. So let me go ahead and hide that again to show you the other method that you can use to enable it from the settings. Now go ahead and open the settings app. For now you have to go to the system and now go to the developer. Where is the developer option? Okay, for developers you have to go there and now go to the file explorer. You have to find that, and now from here you can see there is the option of show file extensions. You have to just simply turn that on, and you will notice that the images, or you can see the file extensions of every file inside your computer. So that is the second method. Now the final method that I have in mind is using the CMD. Now this is a CMD method. All you have to do is just simply make sure that you run CMD as administrator. So as you can see, this is as simple as that. You have to just simply paste the command and is saying that the operation runs successfully or completes successfully. So you can go ahead and check out the extension. So this is as simple as it can get of how to enable the file extensions in Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you. Oh, by the way, if you know another method that is more effective, I'll be happy to embrace the knowledge in the comment section. For now, have a nice day, goodbye, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.